Hi guys, it's Sweet 1967. Today I'm bringing you a product that's quite trusted by the British public, and it's by Spear&Jackson Select. It is a solar power light. It's 80 lumen and it is made in China. Chinese, no. Spear&Jackson should be made in Britain. Anyway, I'm going to do an unboxing of this. I'm going to show you where I've put the little, it comes with a little screw and also a plug, screw and plug, but we've also assembled that just for speed. It comes like that, the instructions in the unboxing. Right, PIR motion, sensor, solar light. Now this product will come on automatically at dusk, and it'll stay on until dawn. But it's got two settings on it. At the back you'll see is off, and just press that to on. Okay, so we're gonna put this outside now. We'll be with you in a shortly. There you go, guys. So there was a little screw on there. All I've done basically is I've just hung it until above the door. The reason we're getting it is because when we're coming in, there's no outside light, and this way we can see our keys. We're not fumbling around in the dark. It's also good for safety. There's enough light there so you can get your, so you can see and you're not tripping up over steps and stuff. But it was half price in the sale, so it's a good little, and also it points down so it doesn't irritate the neighbours. If you take a step back here, I'll show you what it looks like from the far. You can see now that yeah, it's a good little light. You know, you're walking up there. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out, and we'll see you in the next one. That'll be handy for the winter, that. But like I say, it's getting dark now. 9 o'clock.